My name is DJ Infantry, and I am legally blind. My passion for the outdoors has taken me to some amazing places, and I have done some incredible things, all with one mission in mind: to inspire you to get outdoors. Welcome to Infantry Outdoors. What's up, everybody? Welcome to this episode of Infantry Outdoors. Yours truly, the Infantry, getting ready to get into some metal melting today. As you can see, I got my metal melting suit on, and we went by my buddy's place, who, big shout outs to Brit Automotive for supplying us all these parts that you guys have seen us melting. I'm going to show you here right now the pile of parts that we picked up, and there's one thing in that pile that we're going to start melting with today that I'm most excited about. So let me go over, show you the pile, and we'll get started. All right, so this is the pile that I picked up the other day, along with more radiators. So you guys asked about radiators. We're going to break them down with you to show you the metal fins, what's inside the caps, and all that before we melt it. And we'll try to do it in one video. So we got that coming up, so stay tuned for that in a future video. But in this pile today, what I'm most excited about is that right there. This is a big roll of aluminum wire, like what you would use, your power company would use. So start commenting down below how much weight you think we're going to get in bricks out of this stuff. So that's what we're melting today. Before we can melt this down, we have to cut it down to fit inside of the crucible so we can get it in there. But that's an easy job. We're just going to use some pipe cutters and start cutting it. So piece of cardboard keeps the crucible from sticking to the fire brick. every cord on that last foot. There we go, one more big rope, one more small rope, and I think I have enough to pull one more small one. Alright gang, so that's what we ended up out with. 3 big bars, 3 little bars, and our little piece of bar. So next thing's gonna be is get out the scale, give it a weight, comment down below how much do you think all of that weighs. How much was that electric line? How much did it weigh? Comment down below before we get it weighed in.
This episode of Infantry Outdoors is sponsored in part by Jace Medical. Be prepared with Jace Case. Mayhem Studios. Add a little mayhem to your media with the best in the biz. OneLeaf.ai. Innovative night vision. And donations from viewers like you.
Alright gang, there's the scale. in pounds. There's our stack. What are your predictions? Let's see what we get. So just with these 3 big bars, we've got 4.128 pounds. Now it's time to add the little guys. Alright, and there's our little piece. So we're ready to see what we got, guys. So if you guessed 7 pounds, 7.006 pounds was the total weight of clean copper, by the way. There was hardly no slag that came out of it. 7 pounds, you guessed correctly. And we're going to, like I said, I'm going to eventually start coming up with a reward for you guys for guessing the weight. So there it is, 7 pounds out of that one wire. Add it to the stack. All right, gang, well, that's going to do it for today. 7 more pounds of aluminum to add to the stack. Thanks to Brit Automotive for supplying us with the stuff. And as you've seen in the background, we got lots more metal. Every time I go over there, I raid the garbage pile. I've got all kinds of cool stuff to melt, and I've got 3 new radiators that we're going to actually do a radiator walk. I'll cut it down with you guys so you can see exactly how we extract what we extract from these radiators. Newer cars have aluminum radiators. Older cars, which are the ones I like, have the copper and brass in them. So keep tuned, make sure that you're subscribed. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. As always, drop comments down below. We love to hear from you, and if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, or any products you'd like to get here on one of our metal melting videos, write to us at infantryoutdoors@yahoo.com. So, with that said, it's hot. I still gotta go out today. Y'all have an amazing day, and I hope that this and all of my adventures inspires you to get outdoors. Until we meet again, have an amazing day, everybody.